Hello. We now have a neuron model with spike time correlations in its inputs and STDP in its synapses. Now we'd like to see what the effect is of having spike time correlations on the result of STDP. To test this, let us take this neuron model with two separate input groups. The first input group has correlations in the spike times between these spike trains, as we have seen in the previous unit. The other group has uncorrelated spike trains. Now, remember that individually, these spike trains have the same Poisson spiking statistics. But even in that case, we expect the weights from this group, the correlated group, to increase much faster. Why would that be? The answer lies in the causal spiking. A group of correlated spike trains has spikes arriving at approximately the same time to the postsynaptic neuron, and therefore more strongly depolarizes it, having a higher probability of causing a spike. Therefore, we expect these weights to increase much faster. So the trick is that even if individual inputs are weak by themselves, they can exploit STDP through cooperative effects.